This robot demonstrates a solution for aluminum MIG welding. You can use common hardware of Super Active TAWERS robot and change to the high-quality aluminum MIG welding robot without replacing of welding machine and welding robot by changing the wire feeding route for aluminum process and installing new software. Super Active wire feed process is effective for aluminum as well in its performance for reducing spatter and high welding quality. Compared to conventional active wire feed process, it can expand its upper limit of welding current. It will be applicable for wider range of workpiece design. High-quality aluminum MIG welding can be made by providing solution for thin plate aluminum welding and creating beautiful bead like fish skin. Let's take a look at the demonstration. The first demonstration is thin metal aluminum welding. It is using material A5052 of the thickness 0.6 millimeters. Butt joint welding current is 50 ampere. Welding speed is 1.5 meter per minute. You can find beautiful welding bead without burn through and smut generation after weld. The second demonstration is pulse stitch welding for aluminum. The material is A6063, 3.0 millimeters and 2.0 millimeters thickness. It will be welded with saddle-shaped joint. Welding current is 110 ampere. Welding speed is 0.3 meters per minute. You can find high-quality welding performance with beautiful fish skin bead like TIG welding, and also you would find low spatter, low smut bead. Two demonstration will be made continuously. Please don't miss it.